Hi guys. This case is about game theory, how to make it pay case study help. Introduction. The case of Boeing and Walmart revolves around the decisions taken for prices and entering into a new market. This situation is discussed and analyzed under the game theory, which is a division of arithmetic that help to identify the way people make their decisions under tactical conditions, and the results of their actions depend on the rival actions. It has numerous applications in fields such as economics, political science, psychology, and biology. To make game theory pay, it is important to understand the key concepts and strategies involved. Dominant strategy. In game theory, this strategy considers the best strategy that helps the one performer to make the best decisions as compared to the rival decisions. A dominant strategy would be the advertising approach that provides the finest outcome for a company as strategies. However, identifying a dominant strategy for advertising can be challenging because the outcome of an advertising strategy depends on many factors such as market conditions, customer behavior, and competitor actions. Moreover, the effectiveness of an advertising strategy may not be immediate and may require a long-term perspective. Mastering strategy. Mastering strategy in game theory involves understanding the underlying principles of the game, identifying potential strategies, and selecting the best strategy based on the expected payoffs and possible outcomes of the game. The first step in the mastering strategy is to understand the game itself, including its rules, objectives, and players. This involves analyzing the available information about the game and identifying the key factors that will affect the player's decisions. Situational analysis. There is a need to analyze the various strategies that involve in the game theory, which ultimately helps the player to understand the situation of the game and the coming strategy that can be used by the other player or competitor. The strategies involved in game theory are the dominant strategy for advertising, dominated strategy for not advertising, mastering strategy deals with price competition, and possible outcome strategy. Thanks for watching this video. For more case studies, please visit our website, TheCaseSolutions.com. Also like and subscribe our channel The Case Solutions.